What you see is what you get. The JLD high-pressure water jet kit is equipped with a pure copper motor, which is more durable than unusual motors, 12 months after-sales service guarantee, eliminating your worries about machine maintenance. Quick and simple installation procedure. The machine can be installed in just 1 minute. With a simple installation, you get a powerful machine. Now you can use it for garden cleaning and irrigation, road cleaning, car wash, household cleaning. If you are interested in this product, buy it now.